Hi guys, I'm the fangirl here and I've got some big news. Look what I have just bought. It's an OMC Paddington kiddie ride. I've kindly bought it from the people who own Playtown Southport, and we're going to restore it. I'm going to put it back to its original quality, might take these lights off and on the front as well, because they're on here as well, because it was just simply blank fiberglass. The motor wasn't working properly from the last video that they sent me. See if the announcements work.
Hello, what's your name? Would you like to have a go? For further information about our rides, call Northern Leisure on 0113
It says Northern Leisure.
3938.
Normally it would say OMC Electronics, but for some reason I think
This ride will accept
if you look down here,
23
there is a plate. This particular one was owned by Whitbread Breweries and was at Royal Keys in Newcastle.
Number 32 Windsor Gardens.
Go on, have a go.
Might need to think the speaker as well a little bit because it's a bit muffled and stuff. We're going to test it out now. I can't remember how much it takes. So here's a 50p coin. I might have to make a custom little price thing for it.
Thank you.
So that's one go. So that's 50p for one ride. Let's see what it does.
Are you ready?
Note it's on one of these little basis things.
Number 32 Windsor Gardens.
As you can see, the motor's playing up. Might need to fix the speaker. It sounds like the crackling's coming from the speaker. That board's a bit stuck. It's definitely something to do with the speaker. As you can see, it's trying to move. I think down here, it's loose off the base, so I think that's a predominant reason why it's not moving properly. Yeah, so, I mean, it is over 30 years old, so, I mean, it is in good nick for its age. I don't think this does anything.
We had to go to a home for retired boys. It's all
We need to turn the volume down.
Hope to see you again soon. Have a nice day.
Yeah, I don't know if that will go on and off, or does it? Why is it not doing the announcements? That is kind of odd. Yeah, so this little video will be simply just me restoring it over the next few days and hopefully getting Paddington here back to his former glory. Let's do this.